Hey guys, thank you for coming to my channel. My name is Missy. Today I will be making a balloon blooming kit, and the balloon blooming kit is for my mom. She is having a birthday, so this balloon will be for her, and I will include a money bouquet for her as well. So in the kit you would get, this is the actual kit, if you can see it. And in the kit, you would get the box. You can open it. This is the top. Inside is where you would put the flowers. And then you can open it. These are the flowers that come in there. You could just stick these in the bouquet. And you can put whatever gift, whatever other gift that you would like in there. You would also get a balloon. This is 14 to 16 inches. It's a bubble balloon. You just blow it up and it goes on the top with this stick. It also comes with ribbon, letters, confetti, and streamers. You can put these inside the balloon for decoration. So I will be putting all this together and I'll come back with the final result. Okay guys, so right here I'll just be adding the bill, or securing the bill to the skewer. I'll be adding 2 pieces of Scotch tape on the face of the bill and onto the skewer. Then I will fold both ends of the bill up and put them together in order to form a petal. And then I'll secure that petal with another piece of tape so that it doesn't come off of the skewer. And that's it. 1 petal down, a lot more to go. But I'm just going to do it one more time for you guys on camera. So here's the first piece of tape. And the second, then I'll fold the 2 ends together. You gotta make sure that the little part at the bottom where the V is, or where the point is very pointy. So that's what I'm trying to do right here. And once you get the point correct, you would just secure it with a piece of tape. There you go. So now I will be putting 5 petals together to make a flower. And then once I get them all together, I straighten them out to make sure they're all facing the same direction. And then I'll add a flower to the middle of that. And then right here, I'm just adding a piece of Scotch tape to the skewers to make sure they don't come apart on the flower. And there you go. So right here, I'm just taking wire cutters and I'm cutting or attempting to cut the skewers down to size so that it'll fit onto in the box that I'm making. And now I'm just adding the flower to the box. 3 down, 1 more to go. So it's styrofoam in the box, so right here I'm just pushing it down so that it'll fit in the box correctly. Just trying to make sure that it's positioned correct so I'll have room for 1 more flower. Pretty. It's all done. And these are the final results. I did not get a chance to blow up the balloon or add the letters to the balloon on camera. But here it is. I added the ribbon and the confetti as well. And this is the final results. Happy birthday, Mom. Thanks guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified for any videos that I do upload. I'm going to attempt to do a video every day this month. Bye guys.